would never cheat in my marriage. Infidelity is one thing which I'll never do. मुझे avoid करना? How dare he?
I don't know about.
Negative emotions बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. Like I myself don't like being in that zone. So to keep. Are you feeling those emotions? Because जैसे हम कितनी बार ऐसे random stories डाल देते हैं, where you know you have these captions and people are like, हाँ
you get
यार हमको
connected.
भी ये लग रहा है.
Yeah.
हमको-
जहाँ पे you can have 2 boyfriend or 2 girlfriend and they are
That's-
all coordinated. What do you call it?
No,
I don't know.
that's
Situationship only. Yeah.
अच्छा,
yeah.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
वो survive हो सकता है but
It's very
बाकी-
common these days, by the way.
Yeah,
Very
I
common.
have no idea.
So
Never
they're
been
coming
to
out
it.
at the right time then.
I never been to it.
सर तो हर जगह पर मार रहे पीट रहे सर आप तो वही कर रहे हो.
मैं धोखा नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं धोखा मैं धोखा खा रहा हूँ, मार ये खा रही है.
Thanks यार, thanks.
Hi, Amar, Akansha, Ali. How have you been?
Very good,
Fantastic,
यार.
बहुत
Thank
मजा
you for
आया.
your words.
पहले सबसे पहले तो मुझे वाइब बताइए. ये जो ट्रेलर देखा आपने, अभी हमने देखा और सॉन्ग भी देखा. What's the real vibe of yours? रोमांटिक है, विक्टिम प्ले कर रहे हैं कोई किसी को धोखा मिलने वाला है, किसी को प्यार मिलने वाला है. बट आप तीनों का ही वाइब क्या है इस गाने के बाद और इस ट्रेलर के बाद?
यार हमने तो काम किया है तो हमें तो पता ही है एग्जैक्टली कहानी में क्या हो रहा
Of course.
है. हम सबसे ज़्यादा खुश तो इस बात से हैं कि जो हमने किया है वो पर्दे पे दिख रहा है. वो इमोशन थ्रू सॉन्ग्स, थ्रू डायलॉग्स, थ्रू शॉर्ट्स बहुत खूबसूरती से दिख रहे हैं. बहुत कुछ है जो नहीं दिखा है. बहुत सारी लेयर्स हैं, बहुत सारी कहानी है, इंटरपर्सनल इमोशन है. हर किसी की अपनी एक जर्नी है, अपनी रीजनिंग है, यू नो. और बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो सस्पेंस भी रखा गया है जो बाद में खुलेगा.
बाद में खुलेगा.
क्लाइमेक्स बहुत कमाल का है शो का.
हाँ.
तो मेरे लिए तो सबसे खुशी की बात ये है कि जो हमने शूट किया है, जो हमने मेहनत करी है, वो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. और आई रियली होप कि वो इमोशन तो लोगों तक पहुंच भी जाए.
ट्रू. आकांक्षा, आपसे सवाल करने से पहले तो मैं पूछूंगी, आई जस्ट लव धक धक करने लगा.
Thank you. I think ये शो में भी वही होगा
है ना?
लोगों का हाल.
है ना? देख के लग रहा है.
लोगों
ट्रोलर्स
का
को
भी यही
जवाब
हाल
मिल
होगा.
गया है. है ना?
Extremely excited because for me I'm stepping into OTT world for the first time and it is like a huge milestone for me, at least on a personal level, whatever said and done. So I'm very excited and plus ये जो character है, she is so exciting, she is so unpredictable कि बहुत मजा आया इसे play करने में. बहुत complex है and इसको मैं समझ तो नहीं पाई because if I'll be honest, I don't understand a lot of things, but I just try to deliver the way I'm being directed.
Yeah.
So and what I feel. So I guess if I have to say, I was extremely excited on the floor while shooting this as well because I was learning a lot of things and there was a lot of give and take. As in the emotions that I could emote through this also was what I was receiving from him or from him. तो जो कुछ भी हुआ है, like for me it was a very good start, an amazing learning experience, and I hope audience को भी ये देखकर बहुत मजा आएगा. कहीं ना कहीं उनको ये realize होगा कि you know that okay, I can also do a lot
This
of
part of
yes, like I can also show this side of me,
Yeah.
where it is so performance oriented,
I think
more
which
than
is,
anything else.
which is important. क्योंकि ना एक टाइप का रोल करते करते ना फिर लोगों को भी ये लगने लग जाता है कि you can't do such role.
Exactly, and this is the reason why I was not picking up anything else. The reason I sat home for so long was because I was not happy with what I was being offered. And luckily last year I again resumed and I had the opportunity to, you know, play diverse characters and then I got this. So I was like, yaar, isse best to kuch ho hi nahi sakta because I genuinely have not played something like this before.
True. I wish you best for this one.
Thank you.
But what about you, sir? I think फिर से आप धोखा ही दोगे.
सर तो हर जगह पर मार रहे पीट रहे सर आप तो वही कर रहे हो.
मैं धोखा नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं धोखा खा रहा हूँ.
खा रहे हैं बेचारे.
अरे for a change वो
तो हाँ,
वो
मतलब
खा
धोखा
रहे
मैं खा रहा हूँ
इसलिए मेरा वो
और इसलिए ये मार ये खा रही है. मैं धोखा खा रहा हूँ, मार ये खा रही है.
Thanks यार, thanks. है ना?
नहीं, but it was an amazing experience doing this show and because really got to meet some amazing people apart from my co-stars.
True.
My director, from the channel, from I got to meet so many new people. You know, क्योंकि generally हम television में क्या होता है ना कि हम वो 4 लोगों से मिलते हैं. You know, हम काम पे जाते हैं, वहाँ के director से मिलते हैं और घर आके. And when you do different projects, you suddenly get to meet so many different people and जब आप उनका वाइब लेके आप काम करते हो एंड आपका फिर काम सराहा जाता है एंड जब इस तरह से चीज़ें दिखती है जो हमने देखा है यहाँ पे ट्रेलर, तो यू फील गुड ऑफ बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड सो या
है ना? But I saw one cryptic post you posted on Instagram. It was for Dil Dhoka and Desire for
Obviously.
sure. What it was? Please talk to me about it.
What I mean, like you mentioned, it was about the show. We all had posted the same
Yes.
cryptic. I mean, it was a different post
Yeah.
for everyone because जो हमने लाइनें चूज की हैं, जैसे आज आपने ट्रेलर में देख ही लिया रहेगा, we were representing the emotions behind our character.
character,
So the line was specific to our characters. जैसे अली का पोस्ट कुछ और था, कुमार का
वही
कुछ और था, पोस्ट साथ में
confusing
किया
था,
था, पोस्ट साथ में किया था, बट हमारे कैरेक्टर को रिलेटेड था, एंड द पोस्ट वाज ओनली टू maybe have a connection with the audience.
get the people talking about
Yeah.
the
It's
us in
not
it.
just the it was not just related for this thing where we wanted people to talk about it. I
Right.
was for, like, at least for me it was like ki, are people connecting with this emotion? I wanted to see that because the emotion behind the lines were how many of you out there do feel the same thing.
True.
To some extent काफी लोगों ने उस पे उस तरह के comments भी आए where इसके post पे भी
Yeah.
whoever was feeling whatever, people felt connected to those
Yeah.
lines.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
it was not any kind of, let's say we were not promoting the show out there. You know
But
what?
you were indirectly, kind of.
It was an indirect like promotion where we were trying to connect with the audience ki, are you in that frame?
Yeah.
Are you feeling those emotions? Because जैसे हम कितनी बार ऐसे random stories डाल देते हैं where you have these captions and people are like हाँ
you get
यार हमको
connected.
भी ये लग रहा है
Yeah,
हमको-"
yeah.
like the songs आप गाने वही सुनते हो जो आपका mood होगा, so the lines were that which was the mood of the character,
Yeah.
and we wanted to see how many people get connected.
Yeah, we did.
So it we got connected beyond that.
We'll quickly play a game and we'll wrap it up because time बहुत कम है and
Okay. ठीक है,
game
चलिए.
game has been demanded.
Okay,
Oh my
perfect.
god, we
ठीक
are
है?
playing games. Any which ways हम show में भी games ही खेल रहे हैं यार.
एक दूसरे की
एक
जिंदगी
दूसरे
Okay.
के साथ
आप
games
तो
ही खेल
बहुत
रहे हैं.
games
आप
Okay, आप तीनों को एक एक आंसर करना है, एक एक वर्ड का, ठीक है?
Okay.
फटफट. दिल धोखा डिजायर which scared you the most while playing this role?
दिल धोखा desire start.
धोखा
धोखा scared you the most. Me, desire scared me the most.
I think Dil scared me the most.
Okay, good one. Who would survive a love triangle in real life?
अरे बाप रे.
अरे
I don't think anybody.
anyone,
हाँ
and
मतलब
no one, no
how
one.
can anyone survive a love
See,
triangle?
ऐसा तो होता नहीं है ना कि तीन लोग, अगर ऐसा आजकल मॉडर्न जमाने में ऐसा ना सुना है मैंने कि there are I
नहीं
don't
होगा,
know,
नहीं
this
होगा.
happening.
Situationship? You're talking
नहीं,
about
नहीं,
that?
No, no, no,
I'm talking
he's,
about there's a new term Gen Z का है, मुझे याद नहीं
हाँ,
है, जहाँ पे you can have two boyfriend or two girlfriend and they are
That's-
all coordinated. What do you call
No,
it? I don't know.
That's situationship only. Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah.
अच्छा,
So,
okay.
वो survive हो सकता है, but
It's very
बाकी-
common these days, by the way.
Yeah,
Very
I have
common.
no idea.
So
Never
they're
been
coming
to
out
it.
at the right time then.
I never been to it, but हाँ मुझे लगता है वही survive हो सकता है, बाकी relation तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं हो सकता.
I don't think any one of us can survive that.
Perfect. You're in our club. One thing your character does that you would never do in a real life.
Which is the biggest thing of the show. I would never get involved with
A married woman.
A married
woman or someone's wife. I would never ever do that.
Same with me.
Yeah.
Not that I would never get involved with a married woman. But yeah, I would never cheat in my marriage. Infidelity is one thing which I'll never do.
Nice.
Abuse a lady. Never would I raise my hands on a lady, especially like the way I've raised on her in the show.
Okay.
And बेटी को थोड़ा सा थपथपड़ा मारता हूँ just to get her
नहीं ये
line.
काट देना please guys.
ठीक. Yeah,
but
yeah.
that's
वो तो प्यार से.
वो
तो
तो
प्यार से
है
प्यार
ना?
से प्यार
है ना?
से प्यार से.
The most intense emotion you felt while shooting this series, if you can talk about.
Oh yeah, I think I can talk about
Yeah,
it. I
yeah.
think getting out of something and getting into something while holding the old memories back. That was one emotion which was very difficult for me because Shaurya always wanted to do right things. He wants to keep his morals on ground and he wants to choose the right thing. But दिल भी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको कहीं ना फंसा देती है कि मेरे दिल से कुछ निकला नहीं है लेकिन कुछ नया पाने की चाहत भी हो रही है और आप उसमें जब फंसते हैं ना तो वो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. तो आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए चैलेंजिंग था कि वो कैसे प्ले
Deal
करना है जहाँ पे मैं इसकी तरफ जस्टिफाई कुछ करना चाहता हूँ बट कुछ है जो मुझे छोड़ नहीं रहा है.
With you?
With me, so I think on an individual level, I am a person कि मुझे negative emotions बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. Like I myself don't like being in that zone. So for me to get in that zone and to play this character who feels rejected, who feels dejected, who's abused, because like I said, I've never faced such kind of thing. And having that anger and having that depressing wala phase, for me that was the most intense situation because मेरे लिए ना practically बहुत difficult है ये emotion को hold करना because like I'm not saying I'm a person I never get upset but I don't hold on to those feelings. For me it's like ठीक है कुछ और कर लेते हैं, mind divert कर लेते हैं. But when you act, you need those emotions to come out.
True.
So for me, I think this is the most difficult thing because throughout somewhere down the line, she is a woman who has a feeling where okay, she is being rejected from everywhere.
Wow.
Be it anything. तो वो जो rejection है, I guess for me that was the most difficult situation. To hold on to that feeling because in person also that is the worst feeling. I mean you can accept a heartbreak but to accept a rejection is on a different level. अरे
So true.
मुझे
True.
मुझे avoid कर रहा है?
True.
How dare he?
I don't know about men's, but women do feel about rejection.
It's on a perfect. That's what we can take a heartbreak, but rejection.
No, never.
That's what वो ego पे लगता है, right? So मेरे लिए वो सबसे tough था.
True. What about you, sir?
यार मेरे लिए actually frankly speaking, it
मैं
was
तो ये
such a
करता रहता मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
it was a breeze. The whole project was a breeze for me. I enjoyed every day, every minute of it, the shooting of it, because of the fabulous cast and crew that I had. I think. सिर्फ initially just to character समझना मुझे थोड़ा सा लग गया because of the multi-layered. But once I understood the character, then it just
easy.
flew. It was.
है ना? Red flag you always ignore in real life.
बाप रे.
बाप रे, ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन था यार.
Always ignore
Yeah.
in a relationship,
Yeah.
in my life.
Yeah.
Shoot, there are so many.
I know, right?
There are
मेरा
so
मेरा भी
many.
list है यार. ये तो क्या सवाल
ये क्या
पूछा?
सवाल है?
Yeah, there are so many that I have to avoid because
एक बता दो.
being like someone being over insecure is kind of red flag. Like over when you're like you can't breathe, but like sometimes I ignore that because if I don't, then
Good one.
yeah.
Nice. Yeah. What about you?
I have actually I can say two things and they are correlated. One is love bombing and one is being stingy. Stingy in everything. मतलब I'm not just talking about पैसा. Stingy in time, stingy in emotions. So that is the biggest red flag because I think somewhere down the line आप उसको वो benefit of doubt देते हो. अरे नहीं कुछ और हुआ रहेगा. अरे वो busy होगा. अरे ये होगा. So I think that is the biggest red flag, which I think everyone tends to ignore.
Yeah.
True. Sir, आप बताइए.
The red flag for me is, I think, overthinking people and things and situations. Because कभी-कभी हम the kind of world we are living in, कोई एक चीज़ होती है and we want to put our mind to it and इतनी सी चीज़ है और सोच के इतना बना बना देता है और होता कुछ भी नहीं है कभी-कभार होता भी हो लेकिन most of the time it doesn't happen. And उससे अगर relationship सुधर सकती हो तो वो भी बिगड़ जाती है.
True.
तो overthinking is my red flag.
कितना सुलझे हुए हैं ना, है ना? Okay, the last two questions, guys. साथ में करना ये वाला. One emoji that defines this series. दिल, धोखा और desire.
मेरे हिसाब से तो वो वैसे वाला इमोजी होता है ना वो वाला the devil वाला but with the wicked smile वाला devil. I think it's that.
है ना? There.
Yes.
Nice.
You?
I think
कुंवर के लिए ये होगा because of bodyguard.
maybe I don't know. For me, maybe it's. For
I
me,
know the emoji for everyone. अली के लिए ये होगा
क्या?
पंच.
Punch.
Yes, पंच वाला इमोजी is for you.
मेरे लिए वो हग वाला इमोजी होगा बिकॉज ये पूरी उसमें प्यार से ही निकला प्यार ही ढूंढ रहा है.
और आपके लिए
ये सब बोल दिया ना?
मुक्का.
हग.
Who? Nobody is hugging
Last.
you.
तो मुक्का वाला बोला
हाँ
ना?
मुक्का वाला हाँ मुक्का.
Okay, the last one. If this series had a warning label, what would it say?
Warning label. Too hot to handle.
Ah, nice. Good.
Good
Good
one.
one. Good one. Too hot to handle. Watch at your own risk.
Yeah, watch it on this. Yeah.
Good.
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 The last.
देखो बगैर सिर्फ प्यार से.
Ah, nice.
But who was the biggest pranksters? आप तीनों में?
प्रैंकस्टर
टाइम ही नहीं था हमको,
टाइम ही नहीं मिला यार
हमें
prank
टाइम
करने
नहीं मिला
का,
प्रैंक
actually।
करने
हम
का।
बहुत सुलझे हुए थे यार
हाँ।
Yes.
चलो but I wish you good luck for this project.
Thank you so
guys.
much.
It's quite promising. But thank you so much for talking to me. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you.
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.